All right, welcome to lesson 2.2.2 called literal equations. So you're probably wondering what literal equations are, and that's our vocabulary word. So literal equations are equations where the variables represent specific measures. Okay, so in the first section, we're going to convert between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius using the literal equation given. If necessary, round the answer to the nearest hundredth. So we have this literal equation where the C literally means Celsius and the F literally means Fahrenheit. So it's just an equation where the variables represent specific things, such as C for Celsius and F for Fahrenheit. So if we are given Fahrenheit in number 1, then we are looking for Celsius. So we want to use the C equals equation. So C equals 5/9 times F Fahrenheit. So we're going to replace that with 78. Okay. So we have C is equal to 5/9 times 78 minus 32. Let's convert the thing inside the parentheses, or simplify the thing inside the parentheses. So 78 minus 32 is 46. And then with your calculator, you can multiply 46 by 5/9. And how do you do that? So it's 5 times 46 on the top divided by 9. So 5 times 46, 230, divided by 9. I don't know why my 9s look so weird right now, but yeah. So we're rounding it to the nearest hundredth. So I got 255.555 ... It keeps repeating. So rounding it to the nearest hundredth is 2 decimal places. So I look at the third and I see it as a 5. 5 is the bigger number, so we're going to round it up to 25.56 degrees Fahrenheit. So, not Fahrenheit, degrees Celsius. Oh no. We just were given Fahrenheit, so we're converting it to Celsius. So 25.56 degrees Celsius. There we go. Okay. Then for number 2, we are given the Celsius, so we want to convert it to Fahrenheit. So plugging it into our equation, Celsius is equal to 5/9 parentheses F minus 32, and we're going to solve for the F. We're going to solve for the Fahrenheit. Okay, so what we can do here is distribute the 5/9. So 20 is equal to 5/9F minus, okay, so we can turn this one into a decimal right now. So we have 5 times 32 on the top divided by 9. Let's figure out what that is. So I'm going to do 5 times 32 divided by 9, and I got 17.78. I'm rounding it to the nearest hundredth, and then we can add 17.78 to both sides. Get 37.78 is equal to 5/9F. Okay, and then from here, to neutralize this fraction, remember I said every fraction is a division problem. I want to multiply by 9. So that's going to give me 340 is equal to 5F. How did I get the 5? Well, then divide it by 9 and the multiply by 9 canceled out. We were left with the 5. Now we can divide, and that will give us 68 is equal to F. So 68 degrees Fahrenheit. All right. There we go. That's numbers 1 and 2. That's converting between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees